I've never heard a founder or entrepreneur say that open communication is bad for their company. In fact, I think everybody can agree that having employees that feel like their thoughts and feelings and strategies around the company are heard is really, really powerful. When you can leverage all that brain power you have in a meaningful way through open communication, it can only move your business forward. Today on Brett's Brain, we're going to talk about one tip that I learned the hard way about how you can actually enable this, because it's not the easiest thing in the world to do. When I was first started running companies, I made the assumption that everybody was comfortable communicating the same way that I did. I'm pretty extroverted. I'm really comfortable talking in front of a big group and sharing my opinions. I'm really comfortable doing it one on one. I can come grab you in the hallway and say, "Hey, do you have 2 minutes? I got a thought for you." Turns out, not everybody's like that. Different people need to communicate in different ways. They don't always feel comfortable communicating the way that you do. And so, what we were able to establish in our companies was that we had set meetings in front of a group as a weekly stand up where some people felt comfortable sharing there. With all of my direct reports, I had standing meetings, sometimes weekly, sometimes monthly. And some people needed that to know that there was some structure. And that was when they felt comfortable sharing their thoughts and opinion, was in that weekly meeting or monthly meeting where they knew that they would have my undivided attention and it was kind of a safe space for them to share. Some people knew that we were always had open door policy. If you needed 5 minutes, just come talk to us. But the moral of the story here is that people communicate in different ways. You can't assume that every new employee is going to be able to come in and just do it one way. You have to provide the structure to make sure that everybody has an opportunity to provide their feedback and thoughts in a way that makes them comfortable. They also should grow and get more comfortable providing feedback in those other areas. But again, if you don't provide some of those opportunities, you're going to miss out on potentially great ideas, thoughts, and feelings. And it really will help employee retention because when people feel like they're heard, even if you don't do what they say they think, as long as they feel like they're heard, oftentimes that's enough. So hopefully that one trick helps.